Vaishnavi, you had sent some audio in the group. What's happened?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. आपने ऑडियो भेजा है ग्रुप में. What is it, Ishanvi? Sorry, Vaishnavi.
मैम बाय 6।
Okay. Now all of you join your hands. Stand straight. Ronik is going to begin the prayer. Ronik, begin the prayer.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
All right. Thank you, Ronik. Your voice was not very clear, Ronik. Good morning to all of you once again. Once again, good morning to all of you children. Ready with your English literature books?
मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. Yesterday we started with the lesson The Ugly Duckling. I had told you a duck lays some eggs and then she sits on it to keep it warm. To keep those eggs warm, she sits on it, and then after a few days the eggs break. Little ducks come out from there, and one last big egg is left. Good morning, Sanvi. Good morning, Amna. Good morning, Ali. All those who've just joined. English literature books, The Ugly Duckling.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, Astha.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Astha, are you saying something?
मैम कल का जो मैंने वो आपने बोला था ना कि अगली डकलिंग चैप्टर नंबर
Yes,
7
reading.
का।
Most of you had sent me the reading. लेकिन बाकी बच्चों ने नहीं भेजा था मुझे ऑडियो. जिन्होंने भेजा था, very good. You have done well. You are learning how to read. I'm very happy. Please continue with your good work. Keep reading. Very important. All right. And do well in your reading exam also.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, Pranjali. Pranjali, page number 41. Okay, so the ugly duckling comes out of that last big egg, and ugly duckling comes out. And everybody, all the other brothers and sisters, they make fun of that duckling. So he gets very angry, he feels sad, and he leaves the place. Good morning, Kriti. English literature book, page 41. So the ugly duckling leaves that place and goes and spends the days on a farm. And what happens soon, it is winters, ठंडी हो रही होती है, वो फार्म पर रहता है जाके. और उसके बाद विंटर सीजन के बाद आता है स्प्रिंग सीजन. मैंने बताया था yesterday, जैसे स्प्रिंग सीजन you have lovely flowers around, everything is very nice, weather is also very nice. So the swan, he goes into the water and he sees a lot of other beautiful swans over there. और उसके बाद वो अपने आप को, अपनी परछाई, अपना इमेज देखता है पानी में और बोलता है, वाओ, आई एम लुकिंग सो नाइस. दूसरों को देखकर वो अप्रिशिएट करता है जब बाकी के स्वॉन्स को. उसके बाद वो अपने आप को देखता है और बोलता है, आई एम ऑल्सो लुकिंग सो नाइस. एंड ही बिकम्स अ ब्यूटिफुल वाइट स्वॉन. वहाँ पर जितने बच्चे खड़े थे, देख रहे थे, दे से, वाओ, लुक एट दैट स्वॉन, ही इज सो ब्यूटिफुल, ही इज सो हैंडसम. Right? Handsome is a word that we use for males, male gender. So the children said, oh, he's looking so handsome. And वो बहुत खुश हो जाता है swan. And he is not sad now he is a happy duck. Right? He was very happy, खुश हो जाता है वो. और उसके बाद now we are going to do the exercises. Come to page 42, all of you. 42. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Now the words are handsome, runs, break, eggs, swan, duckling. Now see the first sentence. A duck lays some dash. Which word is going to come over there? A duck lays some from the
Ma'am,
from
some.
a duck lays some eggs.
Ma'am,
Eggs, yes, I did
Ma'am,
right. Eggs. A duck lays some eggs. Right over there, eggs. EGGS. All of you right over there? A duck lays some eggs. In a few days, the eggs dash. In a few days, what happens? The eggs break.
Break, ma'am.
Break, yes. In a few days, the eggs break. Next word is
Break, ma'am.
in a few days, the eggs break. Right over there. One egg takes longer to break. When it breaks, a big ugly dash comes out.
Ma'am,
What
ugly,
comes out?
ugly.
Duckling. Yes, Aram. An ugly duckling. Duckling.
मैम आप पहले से स्टार्ट थोड़ा कर दीजिए
Duckling.
नंबर
Children, page number 42, Aram. I will send the image in the group.
ओके मैम
I will send the image in the group. Don't worry. If you can't see the board, no problem. I'll send the image. Next sentence. His brothers and sisters
Ma'am,
make fun of him. He dash away. He dash away. What does he do? He runs away. He runs away.
मैम
Runs. R-U-N-S. Yes, Kride. R-U-N-S.
रन
Runs.
रन
After some time, he grows into a beautiful white swan. S-W swan. Yes, Hardik.
मैम
S-W-A-N. S-W-A-N. S-W-A-N.
वन
And everyone calls him Dash. He is happy. Everyone calls him handsome. Okay. I'm writing this word here. Can you see the board this side? I'm writing the word here. H-A-N-D-S-O-N-E. Children, if you are not able to see the board clearly, no problem. I'll be sending the image in the group. Then you can do your work. Right over there, learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. That exercise. Put over there, learn. Right, learn. Okay. Question answers I'll be sending in the class group. Then you can complete them in your copies. Next exercise says, let's think and answer. Think means sochna. First question, do you make fun of others? Children, listen carefully. Do you make fun of others? If yes, thumbs up. If no, thumbs down. Do you make fun of others? Hriday is giving thumbs down. Okay, good. What about the others? क्या आप दूसरे का मजाक उड़ाते हैं शुभ? क्या आप दूसरे का मजाक उड़ाते हैं? No. Very good. Very good. So put N-O
मैम
no.
नो
Put N-O no in front of that number one question. Number one question के सामने लिखेंगे N-O no.
मैम
And next, do you think it is right to laugh at someone who is different from you? अगर कोई आपसे अलग है तो उसको देखकर हंसना मजाक उड़ाना अच्छी बात होती है?
नो मैम
No. Again, put over there no. All of you put there no.
मैम आप हर नंबर क्वेश्चन का आंसर जरा बता दीजिए मुझे।
यस आयत,
हर नंबर का जो क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर जरा मैम बता दीजिए।
Astha, we are on the last exercise on page number 42. You just have to write no on number 1 and number 2, okay?
ओके।
Now come to page number 43. You have some language exercises here. Read the sentences. A duck lays eggs. Ducklings come out of the eggs. Ducklings swim in water. A duck swims in water. Now see the note that is given on the right hand side. When action words tell us about facts, they are said to be in the simple present tense. Yes, Sakina?
आपने एक्सरसाइज 1 करवा दी है ए।
Yes, Sakina?
आपने एक्सरसाइज ए करवा दिया।
Yes, Sakina, आपने लेट ज्वाइन करा था बेटे. I will send it in the class group, then you can do it.
Excuse me, ma'am, which book?
Okay, when action words. Now action words, इससे पहले भी हम लोग ने ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइजेस इस बुक में लेसन्स में करी है. एक्शन वर्ड मैंने आपको बताया था. जब आप कुछ एक्शन करते हैं, अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं? यू आर ऑल सिटिंग, यू आर ऑल सिटिंग, यू आर स्टडिंग. Okay, now all of you clap your hands. Clap your hands. So you are clapping. You are clapping, right? And then, okay, stand all of you. Those who can stand, stand. You are standing. This is the action. This is the action which you are doing, right? और अभी कर रहे हैं. So this is called present tense. इसमें हम ing लगाते हैं, राइट? प्रेजेंट टेंस, अभी हो रहा है. ओके, नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू सिट, दोज़ हू आर स्टैंडिंग. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज चूज द करेक्ट एक्शन वर्ड टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स.
Which page, Mama?
First, you will look at the note which is given on the right hand side. When the naming word is for one person or thing, the action word takes S. अगर हम किसी एक person या thing की बात करते हैं, children pay attention, Ayat pay attention. When we talk of one person or thing, उसके साथ जो भी action word use हो रहा है, that takes S with it. For example, the first sentence. See the first sentence. Jammy dash a taxi. Jammy is the name of a person, okay, and he drives a taxi. Jammy dash a taxi. अब वहाँ पर जो आपको word दिया है, action word, वो है drive. Drive means चलाना. वो गाड़ी या टैक्सी चलाता है. ना उसमें से हम कौन सा ऑप्शन लेंगे? ड्राइव लेंगे या DRIVES? जैमी इज वन पर्सन. जब हम वन पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं तो ओके नाया, जस्ट लिसन. You're right, good. When we are talking about one person, उसके साथ जो एक्शन वर्ड लगता है उसमें एंड में S लगेगा, right? That will be the plural form, S. Jammy drives a taxi. So put a tick on drives, DRIVES. Put a tick on DRIVES. DRIVES. Jammy drives a taxi. Okay? Next, Deepa and Rajni dash good English. Now, Deepa and Rajni are two girls, children. More than one. Okay? So we will use the singular form. Speak. जब वन से ज्यादा more than one है उसके साथ हम
मैम
singular
स्पीक
speak. Deepa and Rajni speak. SPEAK speak. Next, Manisha dash well. Manisha is one girl, so we will
मैम
use.
सिंग
Alam, just wait. Alam, wait. Hardik, wait. Manisha is one girl. Okay. And हम लोग ने नोट में अभी देखा when we are talking about one person or thing then the action word takes s. तो उसमें sing 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 आएगा या SINGS sing आएगा. Sakina, pay attention.
मैम सिंग
Yes, sure. Sings. You're right. SINGS. Manisha sings. SINGS. Okay, Sanvi, the next one. Father dash in a bank. Father, one person. याद रखिएगा जब हम बात कर works. Very good. Father works in a bank. WORKS. Works. Next, uncle dash in the park every day. Uncle, one person. Ayat, sentence number 5. Sentence number 5. Uncle dash in the park every day. Uncle is one person. So we are going to use run or runs. जब हम वन पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं उसके साथ जो एक्शन वर्ड होगा उसमें लास्ट में एस आएगा. तो ध्यान से देखिए हम RUN रन यूज करेंगे इस सेंटेंस में या RUNS.
RUN
Okay, Ali has given the answer RUNS. All right, that's right. RUNS. RUNS. Okay, Vinayak, the last one. The boys never dash junk food. The boys never dash junk food.
eat
Eat. Okay, very good. But boys also eat junk food, isn't it? Boys भी junk food खाते हैं ना?
excuse me मैम
Yes, Pranjali. Pranjali, we are doing the second exercise given on page 43. Okay, turn the page, children. Right over there, learn, and then turn the page. Right, learn and turn the page. Okay, page 44. Now here we have am, is, are. Being words language में अभी हम लोग ये टॉपिक कर रहे थे ना. Being words am, is, are. याद है? Come on, fill in the blanks with am, is, are. I dash happy. This will be your revision. I dash happy. Am, is, or are. Vaishnavi?
Ma'am, I am.
Vaishnavi, come on, answer quickly. I dash happy. Okay, Inaya has given the answer. Shanvi's camera is switched off. I am happy. I am happy. Next, Malika dash hungry. Malika is the name of a girl. Malika dash hungry. Hriday?
मेरा 43
Is hungry. Okay, good. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Number 3. The baby dash sleepy. Riya? The baby dash sleepy.
43 वाले पेज नंबर वाला वो
Pranjali, I will send the work in the class group. Then you complete it. You have to learn to increase your speed, child. The baby dash sleepy. The baby is sleepy. My cats, remember more than one. Are. Okay, Aram says are. My cats are fond of fish. Which was the next one? Jack and Sai dash good friends. Are. Okay, very good. Next, her father dash a painter. Her father is. Okay, yes, Rishita. Her father is a painter. Good. Now, children, put over there, learn. Put over there, learn. And the next exercise is very interesting. All of you know your ABCD? Your alphabets, you all know. Give me a thumbs up. You all know your alphabets? Very good. Now, there's a group of words given over there. You have to arrange them in the ABCD order. सबसे पहले आपको ABCD बोलना है और वहाँ पे जो वर्ड्स हैं उनको देखना है, उसी ऑर्डर में लाइंस जो दी है वहाँ पर लिखना है. The words are duck, monkey, tiger, cat, lion and gorilla. A B C D. Inaya, just wait. A B C. A से कोई वर्ड है वहाँ पर? No. B से कोई वर्ड है? No. C से कौन सा वर्ड है वहाँ पर? Cat. Right. So number 1, put over there cat. On number 1 you write cat. Number 1 write cat. Okay, after C alphabet, after C comes D. After C comes D. Any animal is there with D on that box? Duck. Very good, Ayat. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Okay. Now A, B, C, D, E, there is nothing. F, there's nothing. G, anything with G? Yes, Vinayak? Okay, gorilla. Okay. Gorilla. Right on number 3. Number 3, gorilla. G. जल्दी जल्दी लिखना सीखिए आस्था. मैम के साथ साथ जल्दी जल्दी.
मैंने लिख लिया, मेरा बस कंप्लीट हो गया.
Okay, good. Next.
गोरिल्ला नहीं दिख रहा.
H, I, J, K, there's nothing. L. Which animal is there with L? Sakina? Which animal is there in the box with L? Alphabet L? Lion. Very good. Number 4, right over there, lion. H, I, J, K, L. After L कौन सा alphabet आता है? निपुण, L के बाद कौन सा alphabet आता है? Quickly.
Tiger.
M. After L comes M. M for monkey is there. Very good.
Monkey.
Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. And now only one animal's name is left over there with the alphabet T. So write it there, tiger. Number 6 I'm writing here.
लिखना है कि गोरिल्ला लिखना है? Number 2, number 6.
Number 6, tiger. Put over there, learn. Children, I will send you the image, you don't worry. You can see the board very clearly. I'll send you the image, then you can do it. Okay, I'll send you the image of the next page also. The next page also I'll send you. Only ducks live in water, that is false. Swans are bigger than ducks. True. Yesterday I told you swans have long necks. A duck has a long neck. False. Swans are usually white. True. Okay. And then the next picture, you have a beautiful picture. There's a mother duck and she has 4 little ducklings. See page 45. Look at the picture on page 45. Mother duck has 4 ducklings. She takes them for a swim in the lake. She takes them for a swim in the lake. She teaches the ducklings how to swim. And they learn to swim well. They all learn to swim well. Right? I'll be sending you the image. You can do it. Now take your break. We'll meet again in the next period for your GK. Right? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.